Okay, guys, the first technique we're going to go over is a punch defense and entrance technique called the crash. Crash is very simple. It's basically based upon simple instincts of protecting our head when we're taking damage or about to receive damage. So, first principle is whatever I have a left leg lead, I take my left hand, slide it behind my head, and cover nice and tight. All right, I'm creating a frame or brace against the punch on the left side of my body. My other hand, my right hand is going to go on top. Okay, two ways to do this. I can either look under my own hand or look over. All right, so I have my eyes or my field of vision is not impaired. I'm protecting myself from punches on this side or damage on my left side. I'm also creating protection with this arm from straight punches. Okay, and also my jawline on my right hand side. What I am susceptible to would be an overhand punch to my right temple. But let's be honest, in the heat of combat, to be able to deliver that shot is very hard. So what we're going to do is with your partner, a great way to train is have him put focus mitts on and have him start throwing a big right bomb. So he throws a bomb, boom. I learn to protect. I put my hands up, he throws it again, boom, okay? And he can start hitting pretty hard. You can up it a little bit. So he hits hard, go ahead, boom, again, good, again. All right, that's a great way to start drilling. And now you get a little more dynamic with it, where he throws a punch on that side, now he throws a punch on the other side. Again. Okay? So you learn to take that damage. So it's very simple principles. I'm just protecting my head, okay? It's a crash technique. So that's a great way to defend against a punch. But how do we actually turn it into jiu-jitsu? How do we actually close the distance and get inside of it? So as Evan throws that punch again, now I step in. All right? I actually crash into him. That's why I call this a crash technique. Is I'm trying to plant myself on the inside of him. I'm trying to hit him almost with my elbows, with my other elbow, with my forearm. I'm trying to close the distance, get into an attacking range, and also be defensive in nature at the same time. So one more time, he throws that punch, I'm inside, okay? So I'm just changing my level a little bit, raising my traps up, keep my head tight, chin down. I'm not looking up, I'm not being elongated. I'm just getting in this nice, tight position called the crash technique.